Hello, this is Kyle Grossmiller from Pure Storage. I'm a technical product specialist focused on Pure Cloud Block Store. Today we're going to talk about customer-driven Purity upgrades on Azure. And in this video, we'll cover some of the permissions, prerequisites that you need to be able to upgrade an existing Purity CBS from one version to another yourself. The first thing we're going to do is go into the CBS managed application and grab the identity name. I'm just going to copy that into a notepad file because I'm going to need it later. Next, you are going to create a custom role. There is also a built-in role called Azure Contributor that will do this, but in order to keep it least privileged, we're going to create a custom role. And this custom role contains a couple of permissions that we need for customer-driven upgrades of Purity. Give it a name, CBS CDU, and then we'll add these two permissions. If you look at the link in the description, we have a little bit more detail in terms of what these permissions are and what they do specifically. But essentially, it's join virtual network. And then the second permission that we require for this is join via service endpoint. And then you only need this role and this permission to be active during the upgrade process. So if you want to just add it temporarily, you can do that and then remove it when you're done. So here we can see these are our two permissions. So that's all we really need here to create this custom role. And then we'll go ahead and click create to create it. So the next thing that we'll do is, if you recall, we grabbed that Cloud Block Store array identity earlier. So what we're going to do is go up to our resource group, go to our virtual network that Cloud Block Store is attached to or running off of. We'll go to access control, and then we'll add a role assignment. So we'll search for that CBS CDU custom role we just created, and then we'll select a member. And then this is where we'll grab our CBS role assignment ID that we copied at the beginning of this video, and we'll search for it, and then associate it with our custom role. Then we'll review and assign. And that part is done. That's all you need to do for this piece of the CBS upgrade. There is one other permission that needs to be changed. So if you go to your system subnet, the Cloud Block Store is utilizing, we do need to add an additional service endpoint. Newer versions of Purity are leveraging Azure Blob Storage as part of the system subnet. So while it used to just be Cosmos DB and Key Vault, we're also going to add Microsoft.storage as a service endpoint here as well. There may need some firewall rules that need to be updated for this as well, just as a heads up. But once this saves, we're good to go for a customer-driven upgrade, which is what I will show you in part 2 of this demo video. Thanks a lot for watching.